Don't be afraid to talk to the people.
I know, I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing, but I feel like I'm not in the right position.
You stare at the sun, I'll record.
Alright, let's see. We had a big old cleanup day a couple of days ago, made a video about it, but the results are this. The front of the shop's there. We usually have to make this tight turn where that pile is and go out a driveway, which is not a good driveway, and we always get stuck. All that happens is this grass gets wet and then the tires spin, and we only have one vehicle that'll get out of here, and that's the Jeep, because it's got all-wheel drive. But everything else just spins in the grass. But now we've got a clear shot over this way, which is kind of toward the other driveway anyway. The only thing that's not a clear shot are these two trucks and the lawnmower. Well, the lawnmower I just parked there, that moves. The two trucks both drive. Those start and run. We can move them to somewhere, so we'll have a nice shot out of here when we shouldn't get stuck in the lawn. Getting stuck in the lawn is ridiculous. I mean, you know, getting stuck in deep mud, okay, or snow, but stuck in the lawn, that's I can't believe that happened. So now we're oh, the other thing is we're staged for two things. That vehicle, which is the one we're going to take the body off of it. We'll hopefully get it running, get the body off of it, and that'll be the aluminum car, because we'll build a new body for it. And the Dodge Dart that's sitting there, the engine's just about ready. Just got to get the transmission. It's going to get converted to an automatic. Oh, you want to pull the shifter out of that truck down there, get the Dart in there, get the engine transmission in, get it running, then it's driving, pull it out. Then this is in a position it can get pushed right in there to the shop. The Spitfire, that's what that thing is. But someday it's going to have a new name. I don't know if I'll call it a Spitfire. It'll be an aluminum car. I kind of got an idea what I want.
Hey, instead of the Spitfire, we could call it the Hawktua Fire.
Yeah, we need some other kind of fire. Alright.
I think we have more than enough fire.
That's the rundown. It sure looks good. You took your machine and, you know, since I moved here, when I got this property, there was a heap right here. It's just like the people that own the place must have put everything here. And you've got this all cleaned up. I've never seen this where you can just get across here. This is outstanding. So, good job, Tim. Good job with your machine.